Hi everybody, welcome to Mayhem Said, Unfiltered Channeled Messages for Divine Beings. Today, Mayhem said, they dangled your heart on a string. They wanted you close enough to claim, but never close enough to keep. They pulled when you were lonely, then loosened when they were bored. They called it love, but it was just control dressed up as affection. That string wasn't connection, it was manipulation. Mayhem said you were never their puppet. You were never meant to live waiting on the next tug. Your love was real, but their grip was weak. And the moment you cut that string, the whole act collapsed. See? They thought you were the puppeteer, but the truth is, you were the entire show. Without your heart, they have nothing to hold. Without your presence, the game ends. So stop grieving the string. Celebrate the scissors. Celebrate the moment you refused to be a marionette in their little circus. Mayhem said your heart beats free now, and anyone who tries to dangle it again will learn. You don't dance for crumbs. You reign for crowns. Mayhem said. These cats. If this hit your soul, it was meant for you. Subscribe, because the next one's already chasing you.